Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to customize Alt plus Tab for Microsoft Edge open tabs on Windows 10. By adjusting the number of open tabs in the App Switcher view, you can streamline your multitasking experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button to open the Start menu. Step 2. Open the Settings app. Step 3. Click on the System option. Step 4. Now, click on Multitasking. Step 5. Under the Alt plus Tab section, you will find a drop-down menu. Click on it and select the option that suits your preferences. You have 3 options to choose from. 1. Open Windows and all tabs in Edge. 2. Open Windows and the 5 most recent tabs in Edge. 3. Open Windows and the 3 most recent tabs in Edge. Once you have made your selection, you're all set. The Alt plus Tab shortcut will now only display the number of open tabs that you have configured in the Settings page. And there you have it. Customizing Alt plus Tab for Microsoft Edge. Open tabs on Windows 10 is a great way to personalize your multitasking experience. Enjoy the enhanced productivity. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks. Until next time, happy computing!